Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Sleek Treat for June. If you're not familiar with Sleek Treat, I have unboxed this so many times. This is a low-carb subscription box. They send you 5 to 8 artisanal gourmet snacks that fit into your low-carb diet. They also do have it's like diabetic friendly, all that good stuff. Low carb though is basically the premise. So if you're trying to eat better, you're just trying to live a healthier lifestyle, you're doing keto, this is a subscription box for you. I do love this one. It's $34.99 a month. And then you do have the option to cold ship it. So that's an extra $5. So I think that puts it at like $39.99. I will have the full review on the blog. Let me know how you think of this style, like over the box, because I know some of you feel very adamantly about that you like this kind of an box opening. So I'm curious to see, let me know down in the comments whether you like when I talk to you or when I hold the camera like this. Either or, I'm open to whichever. I know kind of though it's split, so whatever. So this is the June box. They ship at the end of the month, so you'll get like your June box right at the beginning of July. So you can see it has like a very Americana theme to it. Everything is listed here that they're including. And then they do give you a very, very good rundown of like the sugar alternative or those sorts of things. So here's our little flag sticker. Oh, Lord. All right, so you can see here, I had to like pause it and come back. So this is what the box looks like when you, looks like when you open it up. Our first item, this is from, what is the name of this company? Snowflakes Candy Mints. I like these. I like to keep them in my car. I do like the tin too, so if they get wet, it's not like a little box. This is the Blue Raspberry Sour. Ooh. So these are sugar-free, fat-free. At the end of this video, we'll talk about the alternatives used. We'll look at the little insert, but we do receive products from this company quite a lot. They are really good. All right, next we have Keto Manna. This is ketogenic chocolate wonder food. Ooh, is this like a supplement? Like it feels like a butter. So it says, knead fully, tear, squeeze. Loaded with ketogenic brain-boosting MCTs, Keto Manna is a quick and seriously delicious way to keep your body and brain running optimally. So, organic coconut, organic cocoa powder or paste, MCT oil, inulin, so that's their sugar alternative, pink Himalayan salt, monk fruit extract, and vanilla. All right, we're going to move on here to some mesquite smoked almonds. Ooh, I love when they include savory snacks. That's like my favorite. So this is from Sonri. Grown, packed, and processed in Butt County, but with 2 T's and a E. All right. Next we have, so here we have Shrewd Food Protein Crisps. This actually looks good too. It's another savory. These are brick oven pizza flavored. So there's 14 grams of protein per serving. And this is 1 serving. So this whole bag is, you can take this for lunch with you and whatnot. So that's awesome. High protein, low carb, no corn syrup, no peanuts or tree nuts, and no artificial colors or preservatives. Sweet. All right. This is a detour bar. This is simple caramel peanut, 10 grams of protein, gluten-free, non-GMO, 1.1 ounces. This is made with whey protein. I've never heard of this brand, I don't think. Have you? I haven't. Nope. New one for me. I'm excited to try this though, because I like to keep these like in my bag if we go to like, if we go camping and you have something like this on you when you're like taking a hike or what. I know that sounds like, we actually do though, so. All right, next we've got Eat Me Guilt Free. We receive a lot of items from this company. This is a chocolate raspberry cake. So this has 22 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of fat. So this looks good. We receive, usually it's like brownies, blondies, things like little cakes. This is the first time we've received something like, it looks like a little pie almost. That smells good. All right, our final item is from Stoke Nutrition. This is a cocoa almond bar, keto, paleo, and low glycemic inspired. More crunch, less carbs. Ooh, that actually sounds really good, right? Cocoa almond bar. It's pretty, like look at it in comparison to my hand. It's pretty big. Never heard of this brand. You can see I'm going off the so I'm excited to try that. That's a new brand. This box is really good. I'm really excited for this one. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. Let's look at our insert here. So they use stevia in the Detour bar. And then there is less than 1 gram of sugar in the protein crisps. Those are savory. We know they're not going to have anything like that. These, I think, have xylitol. Yeah, these are sweetened with xylitol. Personally, my favorite artificial sweetener, just because, I don't know, it just is. It tastes the most authentic. All right, stevia sweetened. The Eat Me Guilt Free, all their stuff is sweetened with stevia. The Stoka Nutrition, that's that new bar. That's erythritol and stevia leaf extract. The mesquite smoked almonds, obviously, they have about 2 grams of sugar in them, but I don't think that that's really, you know, much of anything. And then the Synchro Keto Mana Ketogenic Chocolate. So it's a chocolate spread. Has maltitol and monk fruit extract, which I really like monk fruit. It tastes really good. So that is everything that I received in the June Sleek Treat box. If you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I will also link to Sleek Treat. As always, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye!